guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing this Spring Revive box. They have these seasonal boxes that really get me excited because I love the start of every new season. I just love the beginning. So this is getting me excited for spring. I haven't opened it yet, but it's all ready and I'm excited to see what's in here. I've gotten a little sneak peek on Instagram, but I always love these boxes. So here is what it looks like when you open it. All these stickers are so cute. There's a silly goose sticker. I have to show this to my friend Hillary. It's so cute. I love these just for water bottle. It's just a fun way. In a field of roses, be a wildflower. Pop in bottles. I love spring. I love rosé. And then, oh, hello sunshine. They're so cute. And then you get some oils and a couple, 1 to 3, I think, usually products. So I think we're getting 1 extra product and 5 essential oils. So let's see. Spring diffuser blends. I always do posts on spring diffusing because it's my favorite. I know I say that probably about fall too, but when fall hits, I do love the warm cinnamony, but spring florals, just my favorite. A citrusy floral too. Oh my gosh. So good, so fresh. I'll just share this first. It's the deodorant. So it's the lavender and vanilla. I like their deodorants. They're obviously aluminum free, natural, clean, no harsh chemicals, plant and mineral based. This is jojoba, esters, lavender, flower oil, lavandula officinalis, vanilla, fruit oil, sunflower seed oil. Let's see what it smells like. I like these too because sometimes the girls will like to use my deodorant or want their own deodorant, and there's no way I'm gonna buy them one from the store with all the bad ingredients. So I just feel good about them using these from essential oil companies that we use. Ooh, this smells very good. Ooh. So they have a body scrub and a body lotion that is lavender vanilla, and this smells the exact same. Favorite scent combos to have. It's just a classic. It's not only vanilla, it's more of a relaxing vanilla. It just smells so good. Hello Sunshine. How am I gonna share these? Let's see. They are all, we get a lang, but there are 4 blends. So I'll just share each one. So Hello Sunshine is orange, grapefruit, bergamot, holy basil, sage, and cedarwood atlas. That's good. I love how the cedarwood is really coming through, even though it's like last on the list, but it's just so heavy, I feel like. That's so good. That's like a fresh, citrusy, but grounding blend. That's really nice. That'll be really good in the diffuser. Passive diffusers, or if you have those around. Rosé all day. This is new. I've not heard anything. They have all of the dupes for different blends from other companies that you use, but they also have so many unique blends that you don't hear about anywhere else. Grapefruit, lime, cypress. It's kind of dark in here. It's hard to read this. Wormwood, orange. Big blend. Oh my goodness. Organic wine. What is that? No, definitely not. I need my glasses. Wine lees oil. I don't know what that is. Lemon, geranium, neroli, violet, and another one I don't know. So it's a huge blend. What is this? Rosé all day. That's so interesting. So somehow it literally smells, it is so fresh and floral, but like in a bubbly way. It's so weird how they do that. There's a cherry cola, or I think that's what it was, blend from a while back, and it smelled just like a cherry Pepsi. And how do they get all of those notes in? So good. That is so unique and so good. I'm trying to think of what it would be best used for. Diffusing, obviously, but a body product, like a body scrub, it smells so good. Ylang Ylang 1. So I'll put some info here on this specifically and how it's different or how it's unique. But Ylang Ylang is such a classic. I really love using this in different blends. It is a floral. It is like a mid-range floral. It's not a patchouli, but it's not like a lavender. So it really blends well with a lot of different things. It's like the aphrodisiac essential oil or floral. It smells very good. I love it, but florals are probably my favorite family. Then 2 more. Brain Fog Fix. Remember if I've been showing the bottles or not, sorry. There's Brain Fog Fix, which I could use right now. We have lime, excuse me, cedarwood, orange, pine, rosemary, vetiver, and spearmint. So there's a blend this is reminding me of just by reading that, and I can't stress away. The lime and the cedarwood. Ooh, but it's not like that at all. Oh, the spearmint really does something special for this one. This is nice. Yes, I can tell I need this already just by I'm gonna be diffusing this today. I feel like right now through end of April is just brain fog for me. I'm just low motivation. I'm ready for spring. I'm ready for warm weather. I don't have motivation, so this is just definitely a need for me right now. I'm gonna make a roller maybe too. Love that they have this in this one. And then Balm Mint Bush. Another one I've never heard of, but it's not a blend. This is the Prosthanthera melicifolia. So this is an essential oil. I have to look into this one. I'll put some stuff on the screen and maybe I'll do a blog post for this box as well. So I will do just a write-up of all of the oils and how you can use them and what their benefits are, like that. Ooh, what is this? This is eucalyptus-y, but in a deeper way maybe. Very eucalyptus. So I'm sure the constituents and all of the benefits will be the same as like eucalyptus or a peppermint essential oil. It's very oh my goodness, I can't talk. It's very uplifting and fresh, but also there's this stiff note. I can't even explain it. Like a woodsy that stops. It's weird, but this is one I've never heard of, so I'll put some more info on that. But I just love getting seasonal boxes. These again are so cute, and then you get your this smells amazing, this deodorant. So definitely get this if you still can, if they're still available. I know they sell out, so go look. And I do have a link and code for Revive as always down below, but let me know what you're excited about this spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put this silly goose one on my water bottle right now. How perfect. It matches and everything. Where am I gonna put it? Oh my goodness.